How to fix Telegram not working on Android. If Telegram is not working on your Android device, start by checking your internet connection, as Telegram heavily relies on the stable network. Next, clear the Telegram app cache by going to the settings of your phone. Make sure your Telegram app is updated via the Google Play Store. Restart your phone to clear any temporary system glitches. If issues continue, uninstall and reinstall the app, making sure you have your data backed up. Check if any VPN or firewall apps are blocking Telegram and disable them temporarily. Have you faced Telegram problems on Android? Share your solutions in the comments below. These steps usually get Telegram back up and running smoothly on Android devices. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.